The beauty of Ireland is a captivating blend of stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. From lush green countryside to rugged coastlines, Ireland's natural beauty is truly enchanting. Ireland is known as the Emerald Isle for its lush green countryside, rolling hills, expansive valleys. The landscapes vary from the windswept moors of the Burren to the serene lakes of Killarney National Park. Ireland's landscapes often have an ethereal quality, with misty valleys, ancient forests. Ireland is dotted with ancient castles, forts, and ruins that tell tales of its rich history. The cities of Ireland are known for their blend of modernity and historic charm. Dublin, the capital, boasts a lively cultural scene with historic sites. Ireland beauty is a private space. You can retreat to confident in the knowledge that you will receive the highest quality spot treatments and services. Ireland is dotted with ancient castles, forts, and ruins that tell tales of its rich history. Ireland's gardens are meticulously designed and beautifully maintained. The Powerscourt Gardens, with its terraced lawns and stunning views of the Wicklow Mountains. Default Tex Island's coastline is incredibly diverse, ranging from towering cliffs to secluded sandy beaches. The Cliffs of Moher are one of the most famous coastal attractions, offering breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. The Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features unique hexagonal basalt columns that create a surreal landscape. Coastal areas often boast stunning rock formations, shaped by centuries of erosion. Sheltered coves and inlets offer tranquil waters surrounded by lush vegetation or rocky outcrops. These secluded spots are perfect for swimming, kayaking, and other water activities while enjoying a sense of privacy. The beauty of Ireland's forests is a captivating blend of ancient woodlands, lush landscapes, and a rich tapestry of flora and fauna. While Ireland is often associated with its green countryside and rugged coastlines, its forests offer a different kind of natural allure.